Alright, my fellow investors, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all having an amazing day today. Remember guys, in this channel what we talk about is money, 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 how to go out there and get it, and most importantly, how to go out there and invest it to create financial freedom for yourselves and your families, alright guys? So in today's video, what I'm going to be going over is the 3 most important rules when it comes to investing, okay? These rules have gotten me on the right track to create financial freedom not only for myself, but for my family as well, alright? I'm going to break them down really quickly, alright? Don't want to take up much of your time. Number 1 is don't lose money, guys. Silly as that sounds, very important. Even Mr. Warren Buffett, so the best investor of our time, says this, guys. Reason for that is because if you lose money, how can your money grow? Alright? So remember that rule. Always remember that rule. Don't lose money. Number 2, basically, is never be afraid to invest. Alright, and the reason for that, you guys have never realized the opportunity cost when it comes to not investing, alright guys? It'll just be mind-blowing. Trust me, I know this because I've experienced this before. There's a lot of what ifs. You're always saying, oh, what if I would have invested in this? Go out there and do your due diligence, guys. Do your due diligence. Once you go out there and invest, you'll see that you'll be rewarded handsomely. Number 3, guys, do your research. Alright, do your research, guys. Any type of investment involves risk. So you want to go out there and minimize that risk by doing your research on the asset that you want to invest in. So remember guys, the best companies out there are the ones that provide cash flow for you and have withstood the test of time, alright? So you want to go out there and research and select the best company. So you put your money in there, guys, and hopefully in the future, it'll appreciate in value. And in the meantime, while you're waiting to hit that home run, guys, you'll be receiving cash flow in the forms of dividends, monthly rents, anything like that, alright guys? I want to thank you for the support that you guys have been giving me on my channel to keep on growing daily. If you guys like this content, go and hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, which is free, guys. And subscribe to the channel, that way you guys keep on watching content like this. Help you guys expand your ideas and hopefully create financial freedom for yourselves and your family, guys. Catch you on the next video.